Hey guys, AP here for another video. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a bird game. I made one recently, but I didn't record myself making it, so you won't be able to see the actual Unity project. So yeah. Okay, so this is how the game works. You control a bird, and you have to make sure that it doesn't go off screen, or else you'll have to restart. You have to make sure to get the highest score. If you fall off the screen, then you have to restart, and so you have to try and beat your score. The bird also has energy, so if the bird runs out of that energy, then it can't move anymore. The bird has to move, so it has to eat apples to get more energy. So, yeah, the apples will be on the branches. This is what the finished product looks like. Hey guys, so this is the bird game I was talking about, and I named it Robin's Tree because I named the bird a robin, even though it's a yellow bird, not a red bird. Okay, whatever. Let's start. Okay, so basically, you can see all the apples and the bird, right? So I use the spacebar to control the bird, make it flap its wings, jump, or something, I don't know. And I use the arrow keys, or A and B, to make it go left and right. So yeah, basically you can see the energy bar goes up when I get the apples, and let's just not get apples for some time, and then we can see that the energy is going down. And let's just make sure that we can't control it. See, I couldn't control it when the energy ran out. So click R to restart, and yeah. So basically that is how the game works. And now let's go back to the animated AP. Wow, that was cool. Now I will teach you how to make the game. So first I created a bird in Photoshop. It took some time, like about a day, to make that bird. Here's a picture of it animated. And this is how I put it into Unity. And in Unity, I split up the pictures like this, so then later I can animate the bird. Okay, let's get to the coding, aka the fun stuff. So, to make the bird flap its wings and move from the left to right and right to left, I used the input.getAxis horizontal and input.getAxis vertical things. So yeah, if you don't know what the input manager or getAxis is, there's a link to the Unity docs in the description below. So go check it out if you want to learn more. So then I made the bird move with the input.getAxis horizontal. But there were no branches for the bird to sit on, so I made 2 branches, and here are the pictures of the 2 branches. I put a polygon collider on both of the branches. So now I made the camera move up, and I added an empty game object underneath it. I also made that empty game object move up. I put a box collider on the empty game object, and I made it a trigger. I used the onTriggerEnter2D function thing, which does whatever you want it to do when the game object triggers something. So I made it reload the scene when the bird touches the trigger. Then I made a branch spawner that spawns branches at random intervals. It goes up with the camera, which creates the illusion that there are already branches. Then I destroy the branch after a minute. Okay, now we add the apples and the energy. The energy was pretty easy. I just used time.delta_time, the link is in the description by the way, to the Unity docs, to make it that the bird loses all of its energy after 20 seconds. Then I added an energy bar. To be honest, I didn't have any idea how to make an energy bar. Thankfully, Brackies had made a video where he explains how to make a health bar. The link for that video is in the description below. But technically, a health bar is different from an energy bar, but you can still learn how to make an energy bar from the health bar video. Okay, so now I had some energy. Now I made an apple spawner, which is almost exactly the same as the branch spawner, except it spawns apples, not branches. On the apples, I made an apple script, which makes the energy go up by a random amount. Now the scoring system. For the scoring system, you can do anything you want. You can make it rise depending on the time or the height of the camera or something else you want to do. Whatever you want. I made it so that the score would go up depending on how many apples you ate. So if you ate 3 apples, then you would get 30 points. Lastly, I made it so that when a bird falls off the screen, we will set a panel active that tells the player to press R to restart. Then the player presses R and it restarts. Finally, we add the main menu and we're done. Woohoo! Awesome! I hope you liked this video and had some inspiration to make Unity games. If so, please like this video and subscribe to my channel because there will be many videos about me making games. If not, then that like button and subscribe button would still like to be pressed. If you want to be notified when my newest video comes out, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thanks, I really appreciate it. Bye!